and welcome back. My name is Juana, and this week we are in the touristic area called Playa Serena of the coastal resort Roquetas de Mar, which is one of the two major resorts in the province of Almería in the southern Spain. Live, invest or spend a few days relaxing in the warm and cheerful home close to the beautiful Mediterranean Sea that is surely a dream that constantly passes through all our minds. So today I'm very excited to show you this amazing beach-sized villa built in 2008 that stands behind me and was designed with special attention to every single detail. Let's check it out! Now that you're back, I'm going to give you some more details about this fabulous property. This impressive real estate stands over an area of 800 square meters, has 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, gym, winery, a private swimming pool and a 3-car garage. This property has 3 floor levels and it's currently on the market for 765,000 euros. On the ground floor we have the living room, the kitchen and the bathroom. We also have the laundry room, so if you want, let's have a look at the kitchen. As you can see, we have a spacious kitchen, fully equipped, and the best of this kitchen, there are those double glazed slide doors leading to the terrace and giving an impressive view at the swimming pool. They also give plenty of natural light. In here we have an ironing room with a large built-in storage unit and a laundry room. On this floor we also have a service toilet in here that it's a good size actually. At the left side of this floor we have also a beautiful living room that, as you will see, as we enter in the living room, the first thing that we can see is the formal dining area, which has double height ceiling, a wood burning fireplace. It is very well decorated, and what I like the most of this space are the Japanese style pendant lamp, which give a cozy and relaxed atmosphere. And in here we have an ample sitting space with plenty of natural light coming through the double glazed windows, which incorporates also a patio door giving direct access to the swimming pool. We also have tinted glazing. As you may already know, Roquetas de Mar is famed for its high temperatures and many hours of sunlight each day all year round, and especially so in the summertime. So those are very important details. On the first floor we have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the bedrooms is en suite. This is the main bedroom. In here we have a king-size bed. We also have double glazed sliding windows that lead us to the private balcony. And in here we have a good size walking-in wardrobe. We also have the main bathroom in here. The best of this bathroom, there are those kinds of door windows that they are also tilt and turned, that gives lots of ventilation to the house. The second bedroom, we have it in here. It's also of a good size, own balcony and plenty of natural light, and all shutters are automatically controlled. And the third bedroom is a good size and has a private balcony. It has a large built-in wardrobe, and next to this bedroom we have another bathroom with a hydro massage column. The second floor, the attic, is spacious and has plenty of natural light. As you can see, we have an office style setup, and from here we go straight to the solarium that surrounded the house. And the best of this solarium is that you can have an idea of how close we are to the Mediterranean Sea. We are like 5 minutes walk to the beach. Also, we have impressive views from the surrounding landscape. And now, the next space that I want to show you is the basement. Here we are of the landing of the basement. On this floor, we have access to the staircase from the ground floor. We have direct access, or we can also have access through the winery. In this floor, we have a bathroom, a staff bedroom, winery, plant room, garage, and the gym. The first thing that we're going to see is that staff bedroom. Come with me. As you can see, it's large and bright, has a double bed, an office-style setup, a very large closet too, and at the rear of the property we have a special area prepared for dogs, which is secure and I'm sure will please animal lovers. In here we have the winery, which is a large and bright place, and it's perfect for social and family gatherings, with kitchen area and a wood-burning fireplace, and double glazed sliding doors with direct access and providing a means of ventilation. Adjacent to the winery, we have a large garage that can accommodate till 3 cars and has access to the road via motorized doors. From where we are standing, you can appreciate the concrete driveway that leads towards the motorized sliding gates from the street level. In here, we have an access door to the gym, which comes also with a bathroom and shower, and the staircase that leads to the swimming pool. You can also appreciate the independent access of the garage, winery, and to the staff room. And now that we are at the end of our video, and I have done my best to pass you through the scene and what it feels like to be inside such an amazing property, I really hope that you have liked it. And please remember, our staff can also attend you in Spanish, German, French, Russian, Romanian, and Lithuanian. Well, that was about it for today. If you have liked our videos, please comment below and tell us what kind of properties would you like to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Bye bye!